Are those gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros?
Of course.
Can I have them? Over my dead body. I love his face.
I could taste his final thought. He was so afraid. But he died a hero.
He died for murder.
And all I have to remember him by are these two gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros. This is for him. Are you ready?